Hello, today we will see lesson number 1, numbers 1 to 100 of grade 1st. Welcome. Numbers. In this lesson, we will learn about numbers from 1 to 100 and various concepts related to these numbers. Let's begin. Let's learn numbers 1 to 10 by counting objects and to write numbers with numbers name. For example, object 1, sparrow. Number 1. Number name ONE 1. Like this, practice up to 10. Question number 1. Count the number of objects and write the numbers and numbers name. Here are some questions. 1 is done for you. Write it in the space provided for you. How many houses are there? Let us count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. There are 5 houses. Write numbers with number name in the given space. FIVE 5. Write answer of the question in the notebook. Question 2. Complete the series by writing serial numbers and write down in your notebook. Now, let's learn the concept of zero. We use zero to show nothing or no objects. So, we can say that there is zero object. In the given picture, Amit has 3 balloons, Suman has 2 balloons, whereas Nishant has 0 balloon. In the above picture, Nishant has 0 balloon, or we can also say that he has nothing. Question first. Observe the picture. Count and write the numbers of object. Count stars and kites and write the numbers in your notebook. Now, let us learn numbers 11 to 30 with number name. 11. ELEVEN 11. Learn and write up to 20. 21. TWENTY 20. ONE 21. Learn and write up to 30. Practice it at your home and write down in your notebook 2 times. Question. Write number and number name in the space and complete the table. For example, 13. THIRTEEN 13. Practice it at home and write down in your notebook. Now, let's learn forward counting. We know numbers. Here, complete the number table. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down the question in your notebook. Let us learn the concept of before, in between and after. In this slide, you can see pictures. Now, read with me. There are 3 students, Manish, Vanisha and Sachin. Now understand, Vanisha is after Manish, or we can say Vanisha is before Sachin. In the second picture, Shaurya, Swaraj and Rishik. We can say Swaraj is in between Shaurya and Rishik. Practice it at home. Number line. On number line, we count from left to right. Line 1, 1 comes after 0, 11 comes after 10. Line 2, 5 is in between 4 and 6. Line 3, 1 comes before 2, 7 comes before 8. Practice it at your home and write down in your notebook. Question. Now complete the sentence by writing the numbers that comes before, in between or after. For example, 48 is just before 49. Write down in your notebook. Now let us learn the concept of ascending and descending order. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to largest is called ascending or increasing order. Ascending order of number 1, 2, 3, 4. That means smallest to biggest. And the arrangement of numbers from the largest to smallest is called descending or decreasing order. Decreasing order of numbers 10, 9, 8, 7. That means biggest to smallest. Write down the question first and second in your notebook and solve it. Take care, stay safe. Thank you. Welcome students in grade 2nd. Hope you enjoy vacations. Let's learn subject maths. Lesson number 1 numbers 501 to 1000. Let's start. Before beginning with, let's revise the concept studied in grade 1st. In grade 1st, we learn numbers 1 to 500. Also, we learn that number 1 is the smallest one-digit number. Number 99 is the largest two-digit number. Number 100 is the smallest three-digit number. We also learned concept of place value, that is place of 100, tens and ones. For example, number 25 can be understood as two tens, that is 20, and 5 ones. So it becomes 25. Practice other numbers like 60 and 63 and so on. We also learn numbers and numbers name. One is done for you. Number 31 and number name THIRTY 30 ONE 31. Number 141. Number name 141. Dear students, please practice it and write in your notebook. Moving further, here you can see revision of comparing numbers by using signs. We can compare numbers as greater, smaller or equal. For example, 344 is greater than 244, or we can say 244 is smaller than 344 and 344 is equal to 344. In the same way, we can compare numbers above 500. For example, 662 and 575. 662 is greater than 575. 575 is smaller than 662. You can practice by taking other numbers. For example, comparing 670 and 760 or 800 and 910. Practice and solve it by putting correct sign. In another revision, we are going to see ascending and descending order. Please understand, the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to largest is called ascending order or increasing order. For example, ascending order of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 means small to big. Or the arrangement of numbers from the largest to smallest is called descending or decreasing order. For example, descending order of numbers like 10, 9, 8 means big to small. We also learn concept of before, in between and after numbers or objects. Number 148 is just before 149, or we can say number 149 is just after 148, or it can be number 148 is in between 147 and 149. In the picture, you can see Vanisha is after Manish, Vanisha is before Sachin, or Vanisha is in between Manish and Sachin. Dear students, practice it. Let's make revision of ascending and descending order and numbers before, in between and after. Solve the table given here in your notebook. Write ascending order and descending order of numbers in the table. Also solve question by writing the numbers that comes before, in between or after. Dear students, keep practicing above all revision and write it in your notebook. Now, time to learn and practice numbers 501 to 1000. First, we will practice 501 to 600. For example, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. Learn and practice up to 600 and write in your notebook. Now, we will see the table of 601 to 700. Complete the table. One is done for you. Say after me. 601, 602, 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, 609, 610. Learn up to 700 and write in your notebook. Now, let's practice the number from 701 to 800. Say after me: 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710. Learn up to 800 and write in your notebook. Now we will see the numbers 801 to 900. Say after me: 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. Learn up to 900 and practice it and write down in your notebook. Now we will learn the numbers 901 to 1000. Say after me: 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909, 910. Learn up to 1000 and write in your notebook. Dear students, keep practicing these numbers. You can take help of your parents or elders. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you liked the video.